Do you normally sneeze in the morning, right when you wake up? According to specialists, these sneezes and morning congestions may be caused by your sleep environment. Your pillow or bedspread may be the problem. If you live in a very dry climate, or if your air conditioning is turned up very high, your nose may be reacting to the changes in the air. You might also be having allergic reactions to dust mites. The first step to treating morning sneezes is identifying any allergens or irritants. Try changing your bedspread for a week, sleeping with a humidifier, or turning your air conditioning down a few degrees. If these quick solutions don't work, try these home remedies. 1. Black pepper, pepper leaf, saffron. Wrap 5 to 8 pepper seeds and a pinch of saffron up in a pepper leaf. Warm it slightly, then chew it. Brush your teeth afterwards. 2. Fennel tea. Some plants, such as fennel, have anti-allergic properties. Drink some fennel tea, which is also antiviral and antibacterial, to develop a resistance against allergies that may cause morning sneezes. 3. Ginger. Just like fennel, ginger can help with allergies. Chew a small piece of ginger, which also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can help lessen coughing. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is recommended to treat sneezing and coughing due to its calming, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. 5. Orange. A vitamin C infusion can effectively reduce the amount of histamine present in your body. If your morning sneezes are being caused by an allergenic, drink a cup of orange juice or eat an orange at breakfast to help prevent them. 6. Peppermint oil. Refined peppermint oil's antibacterial properties make this homemade remedy particularly effective against sneezing and stopped-up noses. Boil 2 cups of water with 5 to 6 drops of peppermint oil. Inhale the vapor to relieve congestion and sneezing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.